the music and your story of the road. Thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. I thank you for the kindness and the time when you said so. And Papa, I don't think I can. I love you near and now. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing blue. But his blood runs through my instrument and his song it in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. I am the living legacy to the leader of the band. Thank you guys! Benz up! Daday Axel! Salamat! Madam Eden! Amy Vlog! Nag-love shoutout! Thank you sa mga pumalakpak. Diana Loli B, Zone X, Mami Maria Flem, Merlin OFW, Diana, Gemma Lynn, Junji May. Sa lahat ng pumalakpak, sino pa? Yun, nabanggit ko na yata lahat ng pumalakpak. Paring Moises, Uncle Moises, Mr. Suave. Yeah. Thank you.
Lalo nalaglag yung puso ko dun.
Nalaglag yung puso mo sa message? O, yun nga ang pakay ko eh. Lalaglagin ko, tapos pupulutin ko. Yun ang pakay.
Parade nga muna ako guys, parade.
Oo, parade daw. Magtrabaho muna kayo. Magtrabaho
muna tayo.
Parade daw,
raid. Bago tayo magroleta. Parade muna kay Ani.
Birahe, lalab iti, sabi ni Diana. Thank you, Diana. Mama chup-chup.
Parade muna kay Ani, guys. Parade muna kay Ani.